Alright, that is how it looks like for the eyes. And now we are going to do the lips, the mouth. We are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Between the 3 and the 4, I'm going to insert the needle here and leave it like this. And I am going to count 1, 2. In between the 1 and the 2, I am going to skip 1, 2 as well here. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Insert the needle here, bring out there, and bring back the needle here. Can you see it? And we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In between the 6 and the 7, insert the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, between the 6 and the 7, insert the hook there. And we are going to bring back here and bring out here. Okay. Okay guys, now we can cut our yarn here again, and then we are going to close it the same way as the black one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Now we can continue for the round 23. For the round 23, I am going to remove this marker. Okay, and we are going to make a single crochet into each of the first 4. 1, put your marker, 2, 3, and 4. Now we are going to do the decrease. Insert hook into the next stitch, pull up yarn, insert hook into the next stitch, pull up yarn. We have 3 loops on hook, pull through. Now make 1 single crochet into each of the next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then decrease. Insert hook, pull up yarn, insert hook into the next, pull up yarn, 3 loops on hook, pull through. Now repeat this around and I will meet you for the next round. Okay, I finished my round and I have the total of 20 single crochet around. Now remove the marker, and for the round 24, we are going to do the decrease. Insert hook into the next stitch, pull up yarn, insert hook into the next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, and then put your marker, and you are going to continue making a decrease around. Okay, go ahead and finish your decrease around. Okay, I finished my round, guys, and I am going to stop working here. I'm going to cut the yarn, and I wanna leave a long length because I'm going to join this head into a baby blanket. Okay, okay. Now I am going to put some more stuffing using this stick because I don't think I have enough stuffing inside the head. So go ahead and put some more stuffing, guys, until you think it is enough. Go ahead and complete your stuffing, and I will meet you for the closing. Okay guys, now my head is firm enough. So with the yarn needle, I am going to close the hole. Okay, this time I'm only going to grab the front loop. Okay, just grab the front loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I am going to pull this tight, pull it nice and tight. Okay, and this tail, I'm not going to cut this tail. If you want to use a new strand of yarn to join this piece into your blanket or whatever you're making, just go ahead and hide this tail. Make sure that it is waved properly so it won't get loose later. Okay, so this one I'm going to use this, so I will just leave it like that. And now we can start for the hat. For the hat, we're going to use the same size of hook and the same number of yarn, but this time is color pink. You can choose any color that you like, guys. Okay, for the hat, we're going to make a magic ring. I'm sure you know how to make the magic ring already. And into the ring, we're going to make a chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This is counted as first double. Make 7 double more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I have 8 double crochet around. To close the ring, we are going to close it like before. Okay, and this tail, I can just leave it there and weave it later when I'm finished. We're going to join it into the top of the beginning chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the beginning chain 3 on the top. We're going to join it with slip stitch. And for the round 2, make a chain of 3 and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch as joining. So we have 2 double crochet into the same stitch and make 2 double crochet into the next. And go ahead and make 2 double crochet into each stitches around. Finish your round, guys, and when you finish, you should have 16 double crochet around, and I will meet you for the joining. Okay, I finished my 16 double crochet around. Now join it like before. Slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3 and make a chain 3, and into the next stitch make 2 double crochet. 1, 2, 1 double crochet into the next, 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into the next, 2 double crochet into the next. Go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Go ahead, finish your round, and I will meet you for the joining. Okay, I finished my round, and let's join it like before. Slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. And for the 4th round, make a chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into each of the next 2, 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into each of the next two, 2 double crochet into the next. Go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next two, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet in each of the next two, 2 double crochet in the next. Finish your round and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round, guys, and I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. I have 32 double crochet. Now join it like before. Slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. And for the round 5, make a chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into each stitches around. Go ahead, guys, and make your 1 double crochet around, and I will meet you for the joining. Okay, I finished my round, and let's join it like before, and then make a chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch as joining. And we are going to use the front loops only, okay? This is the front loop and then the back loop here. So using the front loops only, we are going to make 2 double crochet into each front loops around. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Go ahead, guys, and make 2 double crochet into each front loops around, and I will meet you for the next round. I finished my round, guys, and this is how it looks like. And now we are going to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. For the last round, make a chain 1, single crochet into the same stitch, then make a chain 3 and single crochet into the next stitch, then chain 3, single crochet into the next stitch, chain 3, single crochet into the next stitch. And I want you to go ahead and repeat this pattern around, making chain 3, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, single crochet in the next stitch. Go ahead, guys, finish your round and I will show you how to do the joining. Okay, I have my very last chain 3 and I am going to join it with slip stitch into the beginning single here. This is the beginning single, slip stitch there, okay, and now I can cut my yarn. I am going to keep 30 inches long of this yarn because I am going to use that to join the hat into the head. Okay, this is how the hat looks like, and we are going to join this into the head. But before we join, we still need to make the flower. Okay, this flower. Okay, with the white yarn, make a magic ring, and we're going to make a chain 1. This chain 1 is not counted. Make single crochet in the ring, 1 double crochet in the ring, 1 treble crochet in the ring, 1 double crochet, and single. We're going to repeat this: 1 double crochet, 1 treble, 1 double crochet, and single, 1 double crochet, 1 treble, 1 double crochet, and single. Now 2 more times. 1 double crochet, 1 treble, 1 double crochet, and 1 single. One more. 1 double, 1 treble, 1 double, and we're going to close the ring before joining. Okay, my last stitch is 1 double crochet. We're going to close the ring. You have to close the ring like before, like that, and we are going to join it with slip stitch into the beginning single. So this is the beginning single here. Join it with slip stitch, and I am going to leave extra link again for the joining, to use for the joining. Okay, so we have 5 petals, 1 2 3 4 5, and we are going to join it here. Go ahead and join the flower, and I will show you how to join the hat into the head. Okay guys, I am going to run my needle here, run it here, going up to the but don't pull it tight, going up here, okay, and go ahead and arrange the hat onto the head, and I will show you how to join it. Okay guys, I put on the hat properly, and now we're going to sew it. Insert the needle here and bring out into the third double. 1 2 3, bring out there, and we're going to insert the needle into the second at the back. Okay, and bring out into the third double, like that, and we're going to repeat this around, and make sure that you hold the hat while sewing so that it won't move. Okay, bring out into the third double, and then just like this. So go ahead guys and repeat this around, and I will meet you at the end. Okay, I reached the beginning of the joining, and I wave my yarn here. I wave it here where the double crochets are. I did it back and forth 3 times to secure, and you can cut the yarn after you finish waving it, and this is how the head looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. I hope you like it guys, and if you have questions, just comment down the comment section, and I will try to respond. And also thank you so much, and please don't forget to like and share my videos, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, so that you can be alerted if I have new videos. Okay, thank you so much guys, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your days, and see you again for my next tutorial.